Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on today to do a nice long share kit reveal video for Not Just for Boys Kit Club kits. This is a page kit by Meridy called Blue Christmas, and this is for November 2021. So I don't even know what we're making with it. I don't know what her design is, but she does incredible designs. So it's going to be absolutely awesome. So let's get to it. We have 2 page kits by Meridy. This time we've got cut files, we have sequins, we have all the things. So it's going to take us a minute to go through all the good. All right, our first sheet we have, and it feels so good. It is from Cartabella, Welcome Winter, and they're the 6x4 journaling cards. So this side is just stunning. It is this really like all these tones of blue, but this strip is a nice forest evergreen kind of green on a plaid. And then the flip side is the 4x6 journaling cards. So we have Hello Winter, and we've got this like metal little Christmas tree, and we've got a pine tree sitting in a coffee mug. Stay home and get cozy. Guys, this is so gorgeous. Look at these bears. Oh, so cute. Our next sheet we have, it's also from Welcome Winter called Winter Whiteout. So this is this gorgeous wood grain. It's like an off-white, and some of these colors go into taupe. And then, oh, cool. And then this back side, it is black with white snowflakes. Oh, guys, this is one of those really tough decision situations. I don't know how we're going, yeah. Okay, anyhow, moving on. This is also Welcome Winter, and this is called Frigid Flannel. So tone on tone green, absolutely gorgeous green tone. Love it. And this is like a tartan plaid, which, hello. By the way, we got with our kit, I got the big kit, and this was a twine that went with it. That would look so cool with it. Okay, moving on. Coffee sip. Our cardstocks. We have 2 pieces of smooth white, and then we have this color blue here, which is a fab texture, which I think I'll go like this so you can actually see the whites. Then we have this full 12x12 sticker sheet from the Cartabella Welcome Winter. It's the element stickers. There's little trees, banners, just, oh, guys, wood pieces, title pieces. I mean, look at the snow fun is just stunning. I love these pine trees. I actually have some decorations of 3 pine trees I keep up in my house year round. And they're in like a little tub like that. So, what else? Love this. So we have this full sticker sheet. We have a cut file that reads Christmas. So I'm sure that Meridy will show us how she creates with that. And then we have this cool piece of canvas. That's interesting. And then finally, this is crazy awesome. It's the Echo Park Paper Company designer stamps from A Perfect Christmas. And we get this full stamp set. So we have the Christmas tree, a nice little Santa, some word sentiments, snowflakes so you can use it outside of, just Christmas, some greenery bits, little star is super useful. So that is the first one. That one is called Blue Christmas Page Kit by Meridy Twilling. So let me move this to the side and I'll show you the next page kit. And let's see, I got to figure out what the name is. It's called Christmas Cheer. And it's pretty. I can't wait to see it. It looks gorgeous. I love when we get a thickers. It makes me all excited when we get thickers. So, it's the simple things, guys. So let's see what we have in this one. So this time, let's go ahead and start with our cardstock. We have, ooh, like a green, Christmas green piece of textured cardstock. We have got the world's most gorgeous color, which is called Turquoise Mist. My very favorite color in the whole world. And is there two pieces of smooth white cardstock? So I'll do that handy dandy little trick so we can see them a little bit better. We get, this is from Minte, Sweetest Christmas, and there's a product code. Do they have names? I don't know. So let me see. Does this side have a name? I think we have product codes. Yeah. Okay. So gorgeous scene already done for you. It's this gorgeous Christmas wintry scene that is pink and green and red with this gorgeous lights and garlands, and it is stunning. And the backside, oh my Lanta, there's my color again. And it looks like the kitchen tile. Like, that's what it looks like to me. And there's speckly bits that look like snow. That is stunning. Next, this is the product code. So that was number 3. This is number 2. And it is straight up crayon red. And it reads Merry and Bright, Xmas, Holly Jolly. Let's see, all kinds of Christmas words. Merry Christmas, the whole thing. That is so cool. Oh, and the back side is another one of these scenes, guys. So this looks like, you know, it's in a family room, dining room, or whatnot. Look at that little pot with Santa's head. So super cool. This time I'm going to go like that so we can have a little differentiation. And then, oh, guys, we're so lucky we got this. This is number 9. And this is one of their cut apart sheets. So these are like die cuts. And you can cut this whole thing apart and like decorate like crazy. So we have poinsettias and nutcrackers and this nut jar right here, a little dispenser, cake stands, super cool. And the back side, it is stunning, guys. It's freakishly stunning, and it reads Merry Christmas, and it has swirls, and it's a really nice light minty aqua. We have a cut file that reads Cheer, which is cool. The super cool thickers, these are called Maggie, and they are metallic red. So va va voom. We've got letters and numbers and some punctuation down here. And they are foil foam letter stickers, and they are on red foam. So super cool. After you use them for this page kit, you've got them for Valentine's. Perfect. We have 2 little gingerbread men. And these have masking on them. That way you can paint certain parts, all that kind of thing. That would be so cute to just paint the little buttons and the eyes. Then you peel off the rest and it's nice and clean. We have another washi tape. Oh my word. And look at, guys, it's like washi for life. It is from Cartabella Christmas Market. It is red washi with white snowflakes. And literally there is so much. It is a gorgeous timeless pattern though, so that is sweet. And then finally we get a set of these finishing touches, and they're in a couple or a few different sizes. So we've got this deep, almost turquoise, Christmas red, Christmas green, and snow white pearls. I also think I see some really pale baby blue. So that is the Christmas Cheer Kit by Meridy. Let me move this. Oh, but wait, there's more. All right, next, let me show you the cut files that were sent to me. I've got a nice little stackaroo of them. The first one, which I think is amazing, we've got a pine cone and some branches. And guys, this, I always like using the cardstock that comes with it. Don't toss that. We have this one that reads Foliage, which is fabulous for all your fall good. All of those great designs you're going to do. We have this one that reads Thanksgiving, and we have a couple of acorns. How cool is that? Can't wait. We have Mickey's head and this gorgeous castle. This reads Love with the O being the Mickey head, and how awesome. Look, we still have the letters in there, so you can decorate those and like pop them up and all that kind of stuff. So fun. This is a cupcake, and it has an acorn and berries and oak leaves. Winter vibes. That is cool. I can't adult today. Hallelujah. I am right with you. And then this gorgeous set. Those need to be shakers. Okay, gorgeous looking Christmas garland. So that is cut files on cut files on cut files. I love them. Then what to show you next? Okay, I will show you just the wood pieces that we have here. The wood veneer. So here is the teacup, and all of these pieces, I believe, all have the coating on, so I don't keep saying it. So the cute little teacup that goes with our Disney kit. Baby, it's cold outside. Big snowflake. That is awesome. It's very intricate. So pretty. Cute little sweater, which you can use for that ugly Christmas sweaters, but that is not ugly. That is so cute. This is like theme park snacky foods. The word thankful. I have sea pumpkins and oak leaves, and that is gorgeous. That would be so pretty. We have the cupcake again with the fallsy vibe going on. We have some candy canes. Oh, guys, these are awesome. And these tags, which are amazing. So that's all the wood veneer. Then we have a couple pieces with both wood as well as acrylic. This is for like the Dole pineapple whip. And I know that when you pull this off, that little pineapple right there is super intricate. Like you can really see the detail. But how awesome that they did the whip color in yellow. Then we have cheer on this like little banner piece. Banner piece? Banner? Don't know if I have my word right. With all of these cute little gifts around it. And they are so cute. I want 100 of those. That would be the cutest layout across the whole thing. Okay, moving on. Then, guys, there are so many acrylic pieces. They are amazing. We have this cute little fairy girl here. And she is nice and limey green and frosty and beyond adorable. Then this reads fall vibes. I mean, I have the pieces are kind of like wonky-fied. Let me get them all down here. But look at that gorgeous, gorgeous aqua color. Gorgeous turquoise aqua. Fall vibes. Then this reads best time ever in that same amazing aqua. I am just smitten with that color. This is Ho 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 and Joy. And the joy is like this frosty, like almost see-through kind of dealio. I love this place in this gorgeous saturated coral. That is amazing. So pretty. And then, guys, you know how we had the frosty blue castle in the deluxe theme kit? Look at, we have a garnet color, this deep evergreen, and a frosty, almost between, well, it's between like olive and split pea, this one. Those are amazing. And then, oh, but wait, guys, there is yet more. We have these sequin mixes. Let me see if I can get the names of them because, yikes. All right, so this one is Pineapple Whip. I almost opened it upside down. That would have been like confetti everywhere. Guys, this Pineapple Whip sequin mix, do you guys see the little pineapples in there? Like, it's hilarious. They're adorable. So that's the Pineapple Whip one. Okay, I will just put that down and close it correctly in a little bit. Then Magical Christmas. Look at this one. So this is so fabulous. This one has Disney or little Mickey heads in it in this really gorgeous minty aqua color. So cute. And there's the red and the green and the white, and it's beautiful. And then, guys, I'm trying to find the rest of the color names because we had magical, we had that. Bring on the magic. So that is this one, Bring on the Magic. So this goes with that kit, and there's these adorable little black Mickey heads in there, and it is so darn pretty with this peach and baby blue and the metallic blues. It is all the things. It is totes all the things. I have that one. This one is Christmas Cheer, and I cannot tell you, guys, look at the little peppermint candies in there. Do you guys see the peppermint candies in this sequin mix? Hello. I mean, it's so cute. And then finally, we have the Splendor sequin mix. And the picture that I have, like, that's in my in my mailer. It's probably the same picture they're going to use. It does not do it justice. This has such a cool metallic vibe with these colors. So we've got like wood grain looking turquoise, right? Then we have metallic turquoise, gold, another tone of gold. We have metallic, deep, deep bronze wood grain. So it is like 10 times more than the picture I see online. And that's it. That is it. Like I have like this massive heavy box of goodness. I am going to sign off so I can start creating. Now down below, I will have links for the Not Just for Boys website. I will have links for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club blog, as well as the Not Just for Boys Kit Club Facebook group. Okay, I'm going to get all this stuff uploaded so I can start to play. Bye for now, friends.